Speaker, okay, so first off, yun po naging testimony natin.
Unang-una, nagpapasalamat ako sa ICI. I'm very glad that I was invited to the ICI to share my personal knowledge on the budget process.
Okay.
And of course, any information about the insertions on the flat control. That is the basis of my invitation.
Wait lang. Parang, bakit yung siste, yung parang yung aura or yung mood, parang superhero ka pa dyan? Bakit parang ang ending yan, ikaw pa bida? No, share my personal knowledge. Ano yun? No, tapos yung tindig mo, yung tawa mo, parang yung ending, ikaw pa magiging bida sa istoryang ito eh.
I'm glad to have shared any and all personal knowledge and information to the ICI because I want to help the ICI in its investigation. I want to support the investigation, the fact-finding, to resolve the issues surrounding the concept.
Wait lang ulit. Anong personal knowledge? Parang yung ending niyan, parang may ituturo kang iba eh. Di ba? Ikaw namumuno sa House of Representatives eh. Tapos sasabihin mo, no, may credibility ka ba niyan? Wala. No, tulad na lang dun sa formally. Pag sinasabi, imbestigahan yung formally issues kasi para idiin si Digong kasi siya ang presidente nun. Tapos pag kayo, sasabihin nyo wala kayong alam. Imposible yun. Imposible. Putang ina, parang ikaw pa magiging bida nito ah.
Sir, papasalamat ako talaga sa member ng ICI that I was finally given an opportunity to share my side of the story. So, kumbaga sa ngayon po, it's about facts and evidence,
Okay.
and hindi lang political noise or speculations. Kaya the ICI commissioners were able to ask me many questions, and I was able to answer it. And I feel very, very happy, and I welcome this opportunity to share
So yung kay representative ko, ano pong tingin nyo dapat niyang gawin?
The ICI will have resource persons invited here, and we shall await for the same.
Sir, do you think he should come back to the country?
Well, any and all resource persons who are invited here, we expect them to return.
Sir, babalik po kayo sa commission? Sa ICI?
Yeah, I'm ready to come back to the commission anytime I'm invited, so that if I can share more information, I will do so.
Sir, yung comment lang is...
Sir, are you going to release your SALN?
I will do at the instance of the commission.
Sir, yung...
Sir, pupunta po ba kayo sa DOJ?
I'm not invited.
Sir, yun pong sinabi nung witness ni Senator Marcoleta. Would you like to comment yung kay Orly? Kasi...
Well, the witnesses that were presented are discredited already for having presented falsified documents in some of the testimony, and their testimonies have already been denied by the Supreme Court.
Do you confirm po that he was part of your security?
He's not part of my security. Thank you very much.
Alright, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, thank you very much.
Ako chong may duda na ako dito eh. Dudang-duda na talaga ako dito. Ang ending nito, pagkatapos ng investigation, hindi si Romualdez ang magiging most guilty dito. No, may mga scapegoat ito. Siguro isa-sacrifice niya sa saldi ko, tapos hindi uuwi. No? Imposible. Tapos sigurado ako, papunta pa din to sa mga Duterte. Duterte pa rin to. No, kasalanan na naman to ni Digong. Puta, yung tingnan mo yung yung tindig niya. Parang wala talagang kasalanan eh. Parang siya yung bida. Parang ang magiging ending nito, parang siya pa ang magiging hero, no, na naglantad umano ng korupsyon. Putang ina, 2022, magkano lang yung salin niya? Tapos ngayon, 3 bilyon na yung salin niya, nandun na eh, di ba? Nandiyan na sa harap natin. Ano pa ba naging negosyo niya na kumita siya ng 3 bilyon sa 3 taon? Dinaig pa niya yung mga Subil Ayala siguro. Grabe yung network niya, pre. No, grabe. Nasa harap na nila eh, Due process. Ngayon Erwin Tulfo, ngayon mo baliin yung batas. Ngayon mo baliin yung batas kasi parang binabali lang ninyo ang batas kapag maliliit na tao. Pero kapag mga dambuhala, tameme kayo.